Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So I am using my phone and not my camera to film this today. But I'm very excited because I'm getting ready to leave for camp. I'm a little nervous about certain parts of it, but I'm looking forward to it. So this is my official getting ready for camp, leaving vlog. So I just got dressed and I'm about to go to Target to buy some things that I will need for camp, such as toiletry items. I did buy a few things on Amazon that I will need, but yeah, I'm about to go to Target and I'll show you what I get.
Hey y'all, I am back. Yes, it is the next day. I'm so sorry I didn't get a chance to film this yesterday, but I'm going to show you everything I bought that I'm going to take with me, and I'm going to start packing today. I'm not going to bore you with boring time lapse of packing, but I'm going to try my best to pack my non-clothes now and then my clothes later, because I can always roll them up, make them really small and fit in places. There is stuff that I'm going to ship to school because I don't think it's appropriate for camp, but I'm going to need it for school. And then there's probably stuff from camp that I'm going to ship back home, like my towel, since I have towels at school and I'm going to need towels here. Yeah, so the first thing is what I got on Amazon. So I got these, which are pimple patches. I've found these to work really, really well for my skin. They clear them out really well. So basically you just put the patch on and then it sucks it out. It doesn't work every single time, but it does work really well. So I got a bunch of these. And then the other thing I got on Amazon were these flip-flops. One for shower shoes and two just because you always need flip-flops. And then I also got this swimsuit on Amazon. So this is a one piece. It's just a normal black one because my other swimsuit is a tankini. So I have it right here actually. So it's shorts and then the top is tank. But since I might need a straight on one piece, I got a straight on one piece. And then today I went and got these. So these are prescription sunglasses. I thought they would be really, really helpful just for any kind of outdoor thing where I'm going to be out in the sun and I'm going to need to be able to see people far away because that's my responsibility. So I wanted to be able to have sunglasses where I can still be able to see. And then I also went and got this flashlight. My friend told me that it's best to have a flashlight separate from my phone, so that's what this is. All you do is push it and it turns on. And then as soon as you take your hand off, it turns off. So I thought that was really cool. And then this stuff is stuff I got at Walgreens. So it's just sunscreen. This one for the body and this one for the face. So I think those are. And then everything else is Target. So start off with, I have feminine hygiene products. So I have a bunch of those. I think I have two or three bags of just feminine hygiene products. So I'm not going to show you all that. And then in terms of toiletries, I have shampoo and conditioner and lotion. And then I have floss to go with my toothbrush and toothpaste, which I already have, so I didn't buy. And then I have bug spray. I also got dryer sheets and Tide Pods. So I'm going to be doing laundry at the camp, and I was just going to steal some pods and dryer sheets from home, but once I steal from home, that's not going to leave my family with much left, so that's why I got some extra, so that way I can take some and I can also leave some. And then this is all smaller toiletry items that I'll probably keep in my backpack or something. So I have hand sanitizer, hydrocortisone cream, Neosporin, and then I have a Tide stick, and then I have extra chapstick. So that's all the smaller stuff. And then finally is my face wash and my moisturizer, and then I'm going to have to pack up all my medications as well. But yeah, that's everything I got at Target yesterday. It's mainly just toiletry items. So all this is going to be packed away somehow, and then I'm gonna pack all my clothes away too. Anyways, that's everything I got at Target. So I'm gonna go try and pack some things, and then I'll try to film my suitcase being packed full of stuff. So I'm gonna go and try to go pack some things.
Alright guys, I'm back on my phone because my camera's in my suitcase, so I'm sorry the lighting's really bad. The lighting's just really weird in my room. So I have all three suitcases packed. Let me show you. I have my carry-on, my medium-sized one, and then my really, really large one. Thing about United is that since I'm not like, I don't have a special ticket and I'm not like part of their rewards program. Well, I am now. I'm not like enough to be able to have my carry-on. I have to check it, so I'm gonna have to check all 3 bags, which is fine. Like, I don't really mind doing that. There is one thing in here I might want to move just in case I'm allowed to take it on, but I don't think I am, so I think I'm just gonna leave it in here and just like check all of them. I might move it anyways. I don't know. Anyways, that's not important. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to check all 3, which is fine. Hopefully none of them go overweight. But if it does, I will pay for it. The thing with this is that even though I am going to camp, I'm going to school right after, so a lot of this stuff is going to be used for school. Most of my toiletries and stuff are in this medium one, and they also have like my socks and underwear and all that, and then this large one, I put most of the clothes I'm planning to wear on one side, so I only have to touch like one side of it. And then most of the stuff in the small one I'm going to be using, and I still have a few things last minute that I need to put together, like toiletries, medicine, my hairbrush, all that I'm gonna have to use tonight and tomorrow morning. And then of course I have my backpack. So yeah, that's pretty much it for all the packing. I washed my sheets today, so I still have to make my bed. When I come home from winter break, it's going to be chaotic, and I'll probably talk about that in some kind of a later video, but I'm probably going to come home with like a lot of suitcases because I'm hopefully going to be studying abroad next semester, but I can get into that more later. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the packing stuff. I'm really like, it still baffles me how quickly that I'm leaving. My room is pretty much looks the same. Oh, I do have these 2 boxes. I forgot to talk about them. I have these 2 boxes that I'm planning to ship to the school. Well, have my mom ship them, so I'm gonna have to like write the address down before I go and maybe try to tape them up. But everything else is pretty much all packed away now to go back to school with me, because I'm not going back home till October. So yeah, I'm going to go take a shower. I have to film a video, and that's pretty much it. So tomorrow I'm going to the airport, and you'll probably see a few clips of that. Hopefully I can be able to like edit videos and post them. I have a lot of videos saved up to post. I'm just not really sure what my schedule is gonna look like with training and like being able to edit things and like going online and all that. I will have to do my research work, so I'm going to have to be able to get online somehow. So yeah, hopefully you see these videos, and if not, then they'll just be 2 months where I'm not posting anything, and I'll have to come on and say why I didn't post anything, and then I'm going to have to like either delete the videos or just like save them for another time, I guess, which is gonna be kind of weird because some of them like I would rather have them post before school starts because of the types of videos they are. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll all work out. But yeah, I'm getting excited, but I'm still very nervous. There are a lot of things I'm still nervous for, like all the lifeguard stuff I'm nervous for. I'll try to keep y'all updated. But yeah, all right, I'm going to go do all that, and I see you all tomorrow at the airport. Hey y'all, sorry, it's been crazy. I haven't been able to vlog. It is the next day and it's like the end of the day. So those few clips you saw were like me at the airport and me on the plane. I can't remember if I filmed anything coming up. I don't think I did, but it was really, really pretty. There was a lot of pretty nature up here. And right now I'm in like this private residence at the camp where all of the other staff are staying. Not all of them are here yet, only a few of them, and I'm pretty sure this is like a temporary location. I'm not really sure where we're going after, but I don't think we're staying here. This is my towel, it's hanging to dry. So yeah, that was my little travel vlog. I am at camp now. I hope you enjoyed that little travel vlog, and yeah, that was about it. So I hope you all have a great summer, because I'm pretty sure most schools are getting out for the summer soon. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!